how to export as MP4 on DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, put your video down onto your timeline and then head over to the delivery section. Now this delivery section is this cute little rocket button, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select the entire timeline right here, bring the cursor all the way to the start, and then start off with these settings. Here you're going to click onto the file name. I've put it up as MP4 for reference purposes, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the location and change it. Let's just say I want to put this up around downloads of my section, or maybe on the videos. Let's just stick with downloads actually. I'm going to select that and click on save. So this is where it's going to be exported off to. Then we come onto the video section and we're going to make sure that we tick off the export video section, and the format, you're going to make sure that it is preset to MP4. Then we're going to come and head over down to the resolution section. This is already preset to Ultra HD. You can change it all the way to NTSC, PAL, HD square, or different other formats as well. Now, once everything is preset up, you're just simply going to go down and click on Add to Render Queue. This is going to add it onto the queue for you to export. And then guys, you're going to simply click on Render All, which is going to be exporting your video into MP4 form. Easy and quickly.